XYO Token. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing good, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about XYO Token, guys. A lot of people are message me that please make a video on XYO network, so let's get started, guys. Now guys, here the right now price of XYO is about 0.02765 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XYO network. Furthermore, if you study the changes update of XYO, so negative 5.77% changes occur in the XYO network, guys. Negative 5.77% changes occur in the XYO. The prices are dumped very badly, guys, but that's not mean that you decide to sell, guys. A lot of people when see a continuously falls, a lot of people when see a small, so they decide to sell. But no, that's wrong, guys. Don't decide to sell, just hold for a long time, guys. Anyways, now you can see here the price is about 0.02765 USD dollar. That is right now price of XYO network. And now the trading volume, you can see, as I told you, that a lot of people will see small fall, so they decide to sell, and now a lot of people decide to sell. 38.42% negative changes occur in the XYO network. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your opinion about XYO? Please also share in the comment box, guys. Market cap, fully diluted market cap, everything is going in negative, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.